Welcome back to Matumza Productions. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can take your chord progression from sounding like this to sounding like this. Using a couple of techniques that I use personally when it comes to chord progressions, just mixing them and making sure that they sound nice and spicy. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. So I'm going to be using a chord progression from my sample pack with Mr. GURULOGIC, the F minor chord, the second one, and it sounds something like this. So the first thing that we're gonna do now, we wanna make sure when you have a chord progression, if you wanna make it sound soulful, you have to make sure that the velocity is down of the chord, or else if we increase it, this is how it sounds. And it's not really giving us a soulful feel. So we wanna take that velocity down, make sure that it's right about there, so that it sounds nice and soulful. Then what we're gonna do is take this chord to the mixer and add some effects to it. So this is how I usually mix my chords. Add some fruity parametric EQ2, some fruity shaper, fruity enhancer nyana, just to give it a bit more life, some delay. Then what I would usually do with the reverb is that I create a bass and add it from the side. Already now your chord sounds, you know what I'm saying? So I'm using a plugin called Lounge Lizard 4, and this is a cool technique that I like to do, makes my chords sound, I don't know, but just listen. So you can do this with other plugins as well. You just edit basically the tremolo, you add chorus, and every plugin has different settings that you can mess around with in the chords. But for Lounge Lizard, this one, the tremolo and depth, if you just move them to the right and play around with them, gives it a lot of color. Something else that we can add to our chords just to make them sound a little bit doper is some vintage chords. I love this plugin. Oh, so already now it sounds majestic, bro. Another dope technique that you can do to make your chords sound dope is that you create another pattern and change presets of the chord. So same chord progression, just with a different preset. Let's remove this chorus. Then if you want to be more creative, you can make a new pattern and take this chord up an octave. And this is how it's going to sound when they play together. Just creates this other massive chord. It sounds something like this. So it's just about being creative, adding things together, trying different presets, and just playing around with your chords. Another thing that you can do to make your chords sound interesting is pressing Alt S, which is the strummizer tool, which basically is going to strum your chords. So this is what it sounds like when I add the strummizer tool to the chords. But you have to just play with it and see what works. Oh, but it just gives it some variation. Hey. Another cool trick that you can do to make your chords sound interesting is on the mixer, adding some gross beat to the chords and playing around with the different effects here. Just for example, hey. Hey, hi. Hey. I like to add side chain. It gives the chords that, hey, oh, that kind of feeling. So gross beat is another dope way to just play around with how your chords sound. This one makes it sound very mellow. And so, hey, go. And yeah, that's the end of the video, my chance. Thank you for watching. I just wanted to show you quickly some techniques that I personally use when it comes to making chord progressions sound different, sound nicer, and just sound unique, man. So hopefully you learned a thing or two in today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And yeah, till the next video, down.